Welcome to the listing of the week. I'm Jewell Cregger with 5 Stone Realty Group, powered by Real Broker. I'm currently at 5415 Medmont Circle in Southwest Roanoke. This listing just received a price improvement and is now offered at $464,950. Follow me for a tour of this 4-bedroom, 2 full bath, and 1 half bath home. This renovated home has a lot to offer. Gleaming hardwood floors throughout the main level. It has an open floor plan perfect for entertaining, and a stunning kitchen with quartz countertops, 8-foot island, and brand new cabinets. The updated bathrooms have modern fixtures and finishes, and to top that off, also has a Bluetooth speaker. Let's check out the lower level. First, we'll step into the garage. There is a brand new garage door and motor. It's definitely worth mentioning. There's also fresh paint throughout the whole home. You do have a fireplace in the lower level. And you do have a good amount of storage space as well. And then in here is the half bath. So there's 2 full baths upstairs, 1 half bath down here. Very spacious for the half bath. And then you do walk into the laundry room, which is spacious as well for a laundry room. That sums up the tour for today. This home is listed by Jonathan Watts on my Realty team, 5 Stone Realty Group.